Today in our 2014 Nissan Pathfinder, we'll be looking at our best trailer wiring options. Alright, we have three wiring options here today. Off to the right, we have the Tekonsha T1 vehicle wiring harness with a 4-pole flat trailer connector, part number 118670. In the middle, we have the Tekonsha T1 vehicle wiring harness with a 7-pole connector, part number 118273. And off here to the left, we have the Hopkins Plug-In Simple vehicle wiring harness with a 4-pole flat trailer connector, part number HM11143690. Now, the biggest differences we have in our trailer wiring harness, besides the fact that we have a 7-way here and 2 4-ways, is that both the 7-way and the 4-way that we have here from Tekonsha will connect to the vehicle's existing tow package wire connectors. Now, the Hopkins doesn't utilize the factory tow package wiring. Most Nissan Pathfinders are probably equipped with a tow package wiring. In case yours isn't, you'll be leaning towards this Hopkins here. This goes in between your taillights and the vehicle's wiring, and you have to supply this module with power directly from the battery with the included fuse holder and wire. Both of our Tekonsha wiring harnesses that we have here today will provide 7.5 amps worth of power for our taillight circuits, our stoplight circuits, and our turn signal circuits. Whereas our Hopkins wiring harness over here provides 6 amps worth of power for our taillight and our running light circuits, and only 3 amps worth of power for our turn signals and our stoplights. So you want to lean towards one of the Tekonsha wiring harnesses if you have a trailer that has a lot of lights on it. That way you'll have ample power to be able to be supplied to the lights on your trailer. Now, one difference that we have between our two Tekonsha wiring harnesses is on our 4-pole flat, we have to ground the connector itself with a self-tapping screw to the vehicle's chassis, whereas on our 7-way, it gets its ground from another connector on the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about using a self-tapping screw to secure it. You're using the existing ground that's already there. Now, both of our Tekonsha wiring harnesses are constructed of very high quality materials, and they utilize existing connectors already on the car. The manufacturers already made it to be able to be towed, so you're just taking advantage of that option they give you. Whereas on our Hopkins, you kind of have to worry a little bit about having this module. It's one other component you have to worry about. You're adding onto the vehicle, not taking advantage of a connector that's there. All right, now for my personal preference, if I'm gonna be towing with my Pathfinder just a couple of times and I'm only towing a trailer that has lights and no brakes on it, I'd be going for the 4-pole version myself. Now, if I'm gonna be towing multiple different trailers, or I'm towing a trailer that has brakes on it, well then I'd be going for the 7-way connector one. That way I don't have to worry about having to get different adapters. All I need to do is plug this in and plug in a brake controller and I'm good to go. Now, if for some odd reason our vehicle wasn't equipped from the factory with the pre-wired system for the tow package, the Hopkins is a great solution because the Tekonsha ones won't work in your application. Or by some chance, if your factory tow package had become damaged and is no longer serviceable, you can make your necessary connections with the Hopkins. Now for a brief summary, as far as light power goes, the Tekonshas are a better option for us since they both have 7.5 amps of power versus 3 and 6 off the Hopkins. As far as construction quality goes, Tekonsha, again, clear winner here because they utilize factory connectors on the vehicle. The vehicle's already set up, ready to go for a tow package. There you go. And that completes our look at the best trailer wiring options. We hope you find this video helpful and informative in your wiring purchasing needs for your Nissan Pathfinder.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.